Facing the frustrating problem of a garage door that won't open or close? This common issue might be due to malfunctioning openers, remote controls, sensors, or even a simple power outage. If you're in the Haywards Bay area and need a quick, reliable fix, call us at 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals is equipped to handle any garage door issue, ensuring your door operates smoothly again with minimal hassle. Act now to restore the functionality and security of your garage door. Your peace of mind is just a phone call away.